Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that was kind of predicted. We had a few comments on the channel about that. I probably didn't mention it also, how Microsoft turning on a feature by default could result in a bad experience for people. Well, we starting to see that happen. Of course, BitLocker is what is turned on by default if you do a clean install of your Windows 11 24H2 build. And it only is since 24H2 that this happens. So a lot of people end up going to 24H2 or doing a complete reinstall and end up losing their data. Why? Because they just don't have remember how to log into their Microsoft account, for example. And because of that, they can't use that recovery key. Because of that, their data is encrypted. And because of that, it's impossible to recover. So there's been a post, and there's been hundreds of upvotes on people saying, I lost everything because BitLocker is enabled by default, and I didn't know. And you know what's worse with that is that most people don't need BitLocker. Most people don't care to have their data encrypted. It really, for most people, they don't even know what that is. So it was bound to happen, and now more and more reports are coming out that, it's getting to be a problem. What is even worse about it is that BitLocker, which was for Pro Enterprise versions only, is now also encrypting on home users. So it's a standard, which Microsoft says, well, it's to make sure that people have a safe place in Windows where everything's encrypted and that their data's safe. Yeah, but I don't think that was thought about really enough about people using their PC and not even knowing what that is. So more and more reports of people losing their data because of this change, which should never have happened. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.